Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video. And today I gonna show you something really different, and you guys gonna love it because this is a terminal app, and we all know we have our default terminals. Rather than that, we also use different kind of terminals, but this is a terminal app that is made with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Yes, it's using the web technology, but to use it in our own systems like Windows system or Linux macOS system, it is using Electron as a package so that it can run as a Windows app, native Windows app. So this is gonna be great. Let me show you the website and show you what are the features that make this command line app or the terminal app unique. Let's just go to it. So here is our today's app, that is Hyper. So as you can see it here, Hyper is a Electron based terminal built on HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Really excited about that because web technology is the future. To be honest, this is the future. If you like to hear it or not, there gonna be nothing but web at the end. And it's fully extensible. Install themes and plugins for command line. That's the great thing. That's what I'm talking about. And Hyper is like then at the end they have just installed a theme here, that is Hyper Rose Pine. Now, and as you can see, Hyper Rose Pine is installed, and that is basically a theme of Hyper. So as you can see, you can get the Windows app or whichever platform you are using from here. They have macOS, Windows, Debian, Fedora, Linux, any other Linux distribution as well, and the extensions. So let me show you the better thing about it. First of all, you can download anything from here. Hmm? Then you can see one thing that I would like to show you first before showing anything else, that as you can see, those are not exact comments, but let me show you the exact comment. That, like, let it load. uh, yes. So as you can see, is this code, this is running right now, Hyper I Rose Pine. So hyper hyper is not gonna be a built-in app. So Hyper is their CLI. So obviously they are also providing CLI tool as well, with which you can download and install all of their themes and plugins. That one thing that I should obviously get to, like, what you point it out, just to know you, like, just to give you an overview or guide, because when I have installed the CLI tool, I have to restart my computer and I have lots of things open. So something you should keep in mind, that is, while you are downloading, like while you are installing the CLI tool, you can just do it within the app, but you have to like restart your PC in order to get started with the CLI tool. So that's one thing. Then here are the themes. Here are really cool themes. They actually have really great themes, and those themes that you usually in your code editors, they have also them. Like I use in my code editor Wonder Pro. I use Wonder Pro. They have Wonder Pro. Even they have some of the great themes like solarized light, solarized dark as well. Then they have this Dracula. Everyone knows about Dracula theme, so they have Dracula theme, material theme as well. But one of the best theme that I love here is this one. Like, uh, you can see these little shades that they are providing here. Every theme should be like this. I don't know why everyone just doesn't make it like this, but every theme should be like this. Whatever. That's the themes. And then there are plugins as well here, as you can see here. Here are little animations of the plugins, and here you can see the actual plugins as well. There are there are not tons of plugins, but yes, the plugin library is rich enough for an terminal app. Like, yes, really there are too many things. And active pen as well. Whichever pen will be active, they will show the light in there. So this is also a great thing. And whenever you want to install it, what you will just do, you will just click on install and copy this code and go to your hyper terminal and paste this code. That's it. Your hyper CLI will work and install all of these packages for you. So this is a great thing. Now the that sweet spot, or the sweet thing about it, that this is totally open source. So if you want to contribute in the project, you can do that as well. Now, one thing I will suggest that you shouldn't try, that is just copying this repo and changing the names and making it your own, some kind of terminal app. Because first of all, you will not get any community support. Second, you will not get any themes or plugin support. Or and as well, there will be no CLI apps that you have to build your own CLI apps if you want to totally copy the repo and make it on your own, like make it your proprietary app or something. So I will obviously not suggest that, but it's an open source repo. Contribute to the repo, enrich the repo. That I would suggest. So that's it. That's it for this video. If you like this app, like, please download it, use it. You will obviously like it. And in general, if you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great apps or website like this, or open source project is, or tools like Hacktober is going on, so tons of open source project gonna be there. And you will know about some of the great open source projects as well. So let me know about all of them as well, so I can feature them in my future video. So bye for now.